Hello, my name is Jeff Newmark and I am a Customer Success Manager with MongoDB. Here, I'm going to show you how to launch your first MongoDB cluster with our Managed Database as a Service, MongoDB Atlas. I'll start off on the MongoDB Atlas project page. A project is its own isolated network environment, and so it's best practice to segregate your development environment and your production environment into their own projects. Then I'm going to start by selecting Build a New Cluster, and I will name it accordingly. So for this one, it will be Jeff Production Cluster. I can select my MongoDB version. The two versions available are 3.2 and 3.4, both with WiredTiger. And in addition, I can select my cloud provider. The beauty of Atlas is that you can actually freely move your database between public clouds. Your prepaid credits are valid for MongoDB Atlas on Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, or Microsoft Azure. So I'll select Amazon Web Services, and then in addition, I can select my region, and I'll start off with Northern Virginia or Amazon Web Services US East 1. Next, I can click here to enable cross-region configuration options. These options will provide me with even higher availability and lower latency. So my application is configured for local reads. I want my users to be close to the database. So what I'm going to do is deploy read-only replicas. And let's say I have users in Europe and on the West Coast. I'm going to add 2 more read-only regions. And I will put them in Ireland and Oregon. So Ireland here and Oregon here. Next, I can scroll down to select my instance size. Note that we recommend for production M30 or larger. M20 or smaller is recommended for development environments only and low traffic applications. But as I scroll down and I have my M30 selected already, I can see that it comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 40 gigabytes of storage by default. But I already know that my storage needs are going to be much larger, and so I'm going to take my slider and configure my M30 instance to start at 250 gigabytes of storage. At standard storage speed or IOPS, that's okay. And note there's 2 other options here that can be configured. You can auto-expand your storage and you can use encrypted storage volumes. With auto-expanding your storage, when the disk reaches 90% of its capacity, it will then expand to achieve just 70% utilization. This is actually a great cost-cutting mechanism. I can see the estimated cost of my cluster here, and by mousing over the hourly cost of $1.15, I can see that the monthly estimated cost here is for $828. Note that this does not include any data transfer or backup costs. I can then scroll down. I can say that I don't want to shard a cluster, but I would like my backups enabled, and then continue on to payment. I'll enter in my credit card information. If I have a coupon code or an activation code, I can enter it here. Then I select Confirm and Deploy. And I am done. My cluster is being created.